While many were worried about drastic cuts to various aspects of human services funding, House Republicans worked to find a way to ensure that when revenue is down, the neediest receive care. Despite an initial proposal to cut that funding by 20%, more than half of that funding was restored. Human Services won in a variety of areas, such as receiving more funding to reduce the size of waiting lists for the intellectually disabled. Over $17 million was added to help move 700 special education graduates and 430 people on an emergency waiting list that have elderly caregivers. Reducing the waiting list helps to lower the number of people that use county-based services.
I also feel very good about having the waiting list being taken care of. I hear this quite frequently every budget cycle, that we need to expedite the waiting list for our intellectual disabled young people, to get them into the group homes. So I think all in all, I think we did a good job.
Other restorations came in the form of a pilot program for county block grants launched for 20 counties across the Commonwealth. This program will give counties a lump sum to use towards human services. This would allow counties to allocate more money to various programs in need instead of the state deciding how much money goes to each individual line item. This gives counties the flexibility to help those most in need. There was also a $65 million increase to the Intellectual Disabilities Community Waiver Program. $48 million of that was added by the legislature. This program helps the intellectually disabled live more independently.